Hey guys, in this video we are going to review the McCulloch MC1385 Deluxe Canister Steam Cleaner. You can buy right now. If you want more information, an update and pricing, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's start the video. Features: 1500 watt heating element. High 210 U acute F temperature quickly kills bed bugs. On-demand adjustable trigger. Up to 4 bar, 58 psi, output pressures. The large capacity 64-ounce boiler produces steam for almost 2 hours. This big steamer has more than enough capacity to deal with a variety of jobs owing to its thoughtful design, sturdy construction, and the 23 useful accessories. The housing is sufficiently trim that it can be readily rolled to other rooms. A locking trigger on the handle enables non-stop steaming without the need to repeatedly trigger output. The 64-ounce boiler needs less frequent refilling than smaller units and can provide up to 2 hours of steam. The pressure gauge provides a safety check but normally fluctuates between 4 and 2 bars as pressure releases then builds up again. One of the nicest things about this package is its broad range of accessories, including jet and angle nozzles, 2 extensions, large and corner brushes, brass and nylon utility brushes, a pair each of scrubbing pads and round brushes, and microfiber pads. Also included are a useful mop head with bristle attachment, scraper, filling cup, squeegee, and a storage case and accessory net. Within 12 to 15 minutes of switching on, the heating element generates jets of steam with temperatures beyond 200 degrees Fahrenheit and pressures reaching 4 bar. We figured that triggering the switch a few times for 5 minutes gets water to run and steam to build. Pros: the large tank capacity will really serve you a lot as it helps to cover larger areas. It's an environmentally friendly tool. No harmful chemicals used for the operation. Cons: handle gets rather warm. 30-min cooldown time. Thanks for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in future. Be sure check out the description and links for final most of day pricing and other product mention in this video.